You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. I don't know the thing goes there. I love myself, family myself, you know what I mean? Here I go on. This is called When Love Turns Hate, episode 1 and few at one place. So you can get it for you know what I mean? Just put it there so. Because sometimes they can't find episode few after they done watch episode once. You understand? So yeah, big up on yourself. And remember, as me done say, if you don't watch it already, watch it again, share it, make who no see it. You understand me? I say, because you know a thing go. We don't know how YouTube work and that. We are the YouTube, so you know what I mean? So based on the movies and what forward in and so forth, we have to just work with what we can work with. Alright? So thanks to all of the loyal family members and to all of the new family members who are checking. I love you know. Give thanks and praise. I really appreciate you know. You know what I mean? And yeah, big up my team. My team, my team, my team, my team, my team. Me not call on him, come and go. Watch a movie, right?
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
She's like the big bad wolf, no reason inability. Smiles when she see the money. Hell of the fury like a woman's card. From love to hate, now the war is on. She's like the big bad wolf, no reason inability. When love turns hate, it can be so deadly. You used to be my ride or die. She say you love me, but you love the hype. She sharp like a blade, cut deeper than a knife. It's like you want revenge. Me never know say love could have twist so. All want me try, you not let go. Create some poison, now it overflow. She's like the big bad wolf, no reason inability. Only spouse when she see the money. Hell of a fury like a woman's card. From love to hate, now the war is on. No reason inability. When love turn hate, it can be so deadly. Now every word turns to argument. Every message feels like judgment. You match up everything we spend. Heart full of rage, no sentiment. You switch your force, me can't recognize you. Love gone cold, we see it in your eyes. From kisses to curses.
Yeah, Miss Wu check you. Aye.
Love used to live here, but it don't live here no more. Used to feel safe, now I'm safe on my own.
Jesus, Father, save. I don't tell. What is that? Tell me now, what is this? What really could have caused all of this? Yeah, tell me, say me a try and somebody come in and come broke me box. Jesus, yo, you see how them a sting and me a talk, but you see, from what day me a realize, say, some of them a come at bar, come laugh up with me. Me know say them a thief, but from what day, me sit down and just watch them, you know, and me know say this a day would a really come. Look for me box. Look for me things.
I'm done now. No.
Great Joe Janker, man.
Yo, man, I head, man.
I say that, go on.
I know I say I'm off for
Anything
drink,
with
man.
tea.
I'm off for drink.
That's how you may look for still, though.
I'm not lost. You're not supposed to look for me. So I start.
So
How do you
I
check?
check for you, brother. I can't find a friend. You come and do a little thing for me. You see, I go with a beer thing there like a steak sauce.
Sir, I'm the killers and you dip on the black man. You know, man, so because he dead, you know.
But anyways, long story short, you know.
All the vibes.
I alternate that. I give you a problem and I carry the dome and I come start out with me. You know, say, you have you have a skill, brother. Way. No care when I go to some other man and they give me a problem and they can't find it. From I pull up a field foot, I find, you know. Two look, you know.
Yo, you know what I say? Me not did hurt there again. The only thing me pull down, you know, I all and them having a crocus background there. So.
So I say go for choke at that. Then I tell me say not do that work in that, but I say
Ah,
me still
man.
calling you know.
You know where I go, we have to
Yeah.
maintain a lifestyle. And a girl now want no money they and dirty and stay a certain way. Remember
Gotcha,
say,
man.
yo, the last machine me work on, you know. I cut all my finger, you know. They just pay me money when I charge them, then I respond to me on my finger.
So you tell them say I'm on for your finger.
Bro, I'm here, man. Loud and sitting there, man. Yo, that's what I'm say.
But Joe still. I say me fast their business in a Joe.
Mm.
But then you know say yeah me G for a time.
All the time, man.
But I know you do 9 to 5, you know.
9 to 5 can't do it, my bro.
Daddy, I know you know. Daddy, what's the name? Me know what type of work you do, man.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Me know what type of work you do, you know. One Joe Junker, you know.
Oh, and Joe Junker, man. Different still. Talk to me. Let's see, God. You want to start name food? You want to uplift yourself?
Me like I talk them next to them.
I'm here,
Yeah,
man.
me none of my business in the
Yeah, watch out. Me alone can't name off you all like cake, so
Yeah, it's an argument, brother.
Alright, watch out. Here you are going.
Yeah, you alone
Remember, say,
can't
bro,
cancel
watch
me
out.
cake, yeah.
All we are killers, you know, bro. When I run certain joke, you know, so we are talking about. Alright, watch it. You know I'm all pro. Because you know how steered. Me alone can't control me all like cake, so I'm willing to make your name a slice. What you say?
Want a slice, but the damn thing you come back with again, brother.
Yo,
Watch on still. You're going to get more serious man than I think that Joe Junker. Because the mess is still bad, man.
watch
But
out,
I
man.
mean,
Yo, you can't just take Joe Junker thing for joke, man.
Bad man, how
I
far
see-
away come from?
Alright, watch it. Look, yeah. Me I do you a favor. Because I can't take a chat in still. I do you a favor. Me I ropes up that the fear.
Yeah.
But me I want you can't go do that one mission. Me I for yourself, me I pay yourself.
Yeah, me care about something.
Yeah, man.
Bad man, that least, brother, but me can't care now. High machine, I have to.
Me I ropes up a machine, man.
So,
Don't
so
worry
that
yourself.
you swap come fast, you go so
Me say me I sort out the machine, man.
yeah, that if you tell me Joe Junker, man, me go anything, so.
Yeah, man. But you know.
So, you pay me.
Don't worry yourself, man. When that day they come with you with that.
So that means I'm not to pay.
Bro, me say when that day they come with you with that. Remember say we are brother and I say where I come from.
That is
And
it.
I say where I come from, bro. Because yourself, man.
I'd say so come for wait for your go on here.
Me I show it, man. Me I show it.
Alright,
I show it.
It's a for that now.
Me say me I show it. Give me a look at
I'm
that.
going to slow down and wait for you and afford no charge.
Bro. Oh, me look like eyeglass. Me tell us me a hustler. Remember me not do 95 and food off in name.
I want Joe. Sorry. Alright, let's do your guts to do.
That is it, man. I'm buy one of them bees all the way back here because I want it done.
Answer phone now.
My pre now, baby.
B,
I want go on.
come here. Come check me right now. Come down my bar.
I want go on.
What mean by wagwan? Me say if you come check me now.
Jaja. That no sound safe. God,
Watch out. Me I tell us if you come check me at about.
Me I go check you.
What for this man? Lord have mercy, I'm a big anything the junker them gone with.
I mean, tell me say, going forward, in your place and rob your business. And I tell you already say you know invest in this, you know, because your loss is them, you know. Tell you already, you know. So what you plan to do? Because we can call the police still, you know.
Wait just say, okay, informer, call which police?
Informer, we are talking.
Listen, you come like say you take this thing for joke thing, you know. Here where you come in here and say, boy, you find one next solution, you come in here and talk about call police. Eh? Call which police?
Then wait, what other solution you want me to talk about then? Because only solution I forget it.
I wonder if you see what they go on with my shop. I wonder if they see what they go on. Look on the box. Eh? Look for your top shelf. Every time I look for my top shelf, because I'm one ball. All my big old anything gone. I not even check the fridge now. Go check the fridge. Check the fridge, Jimmy. Come in and drop down. Check the fridge.
Boss.
You see it? And that's why I don't like talk to you, because you come like you know hear what I say. You not listen.
Yeah,
Eh?
yeah.
Here we go on. You see, if you don't want to deal with this, I'm going to take it to our next level. You understand? Because nobody now can rob my place and get away with it. So tell me where you're on. I know, say, I have a strong feeling, I know how to do it. Though. I have a feeling, you know. So what is it? What is it? If I cannot help this situation, tell me from now. Because right now, it's coming to be a talking and I can't bother with it right now. You upset my spirit.
Babes, remember, see, you know, we have to think about, you think about this carefully, matter of fact. Because, you know, you can't use badness, fight badness. You have to think about this wise right now. Right now, the option I can tell you about right now, I have to go to a police station and something. You will see where you lost out type this one. But for pre-badness now, probably kill all the man, and the man we come rob the place. Probably I'll wrong some of the meds because you say you have a clue of who. No, me no know who because I'm never there. You're never there. And you can't use the only thing I can say, me not understand it right now, but boy, my business flourish certain way. Remember just start your business certain way, you know, and prepare and something right now, you know. I just sink your business. The only thing I can pray for just get the hiccups them involved certain way. That's right.
You know, say, come like they obey you.
So what you mean by they obey me?
Look like they obey you from head to toe. And they come like you don't know sense. Eh? You see that about call cops? Eh? And when me just up and have nothing to do with it. Eh? You know, say, alright. You see like how you can't go manage this case, leave it alone. Left it alone. You understand? Because right now, you're not talking nothing with sense. You're not make me know what to do. I know you can't tell me what to do. What am I supposed to do? Eh? If you go to the cops, man, when I look, it take all 6 months before me can get fully all much months spent up. I really want to hear 2 years before me get my things them.
So what you want me to do?
Eh?
What you want me to do?
You come like you know you man. Man up! Man must act like man. I want to want to up here so. Eh? Listen. Police now give nobody justice these days. Understand? Because, alright, what you pray now? If me and you go inform to the police, you know say, one man person have gun, I fastest they reach though. No, fastest they reach. Are they wait till shot boss? Are the man kill somebody and you know see them come take up the dead body? You know see how the police operate. So what you want me to go do? Take take up this in a police and no, you can't think so. Listen, a one way now and a my way and the argument done this up. So if you can't manage the way there, feel free to go through the door.
Babes, I know you're frustrated and thing, but when you just take your time out and clear your brain certain way and something, watch on man, more you just give it some time and something man and thing. You see me? So don't worry yourself, man. Everything's alright, man. I make few calls, so make some local program and thing and get back to you, see me and so. Yeah. How that sound to you?
Oh God.
How?
Here, give me some time. Me some
short,
time.
me call you.
Be a rubbish in the chat. Be a rubbish. Just be a rubbish. Everything come on. Jesus. Mommy!
Where there?
Wagwan.
I'm there. Normally on Thursday, I'm not checking how I'm going.
Why?
You have enough money to give me now, or my back so full.
Right now, trouble in our camp.
It's trouble.
Trouble in our paradise.
So
Here, Wagwan.
how my back look so?
You want me talk or you talk?
Alright,
Here, Wagwan. I can't go pay, pay for this Thursday. I can't pay Thursday. Because the whole, you see the box here, that's right now.
Mm-hmm.
And the one over there, so. And plus the one there over there, so. They're rabbit. And me can't take no losses right now. Right now, you see, look at money me having, so. I figure I go try sort out what me can sort out, you know, so try make back some money, you understand? Look on the box, man, the whole lot of money they ain't gone with.
You already tell me what's going on. Because obviously we are telling you now. But, hey, let me tell you this. Say stop have certain people in the place, you know. You understand me? I say, because the boy, them, when them knock your box, they knock your box and mash up your box. Cause right now, feel that man just knock your box and mash up your box. And then you come call me and come tell me a story. Mama, want me money. Thursday, want me money. Nobody give me no story.
Yo.
I don't know story time business.
No.
Right now, I see you just do your other here and you sit there, look at my money you take and yo. Me know
Hey,
you're
look
foolish.
at Dirty Rasta boy, let me
Make
tell
it
you
Dirty Rasta
something.
boy, eh?
Dirty
Rasta-
Rasta boy, listen, let me tell you something. So when you talk to me, lower your tone.
Low stone.
Lower your
Eh?
tone now when you're back.
I am a
to
girl.
the place.
I am a girl.
Me could have never be a girl.
Yo.
Me could have never be a
So
girl.
you can't tell me lower
Because
tone.
my man, they can't talk to me. No kind of
I hear that man you deal with. That me I tell you.
My how you chat to me and place in the youth. My how you
Man,
talk
me
to me
take
and
the
place
box
in
from out
the
there.
youth. You me have to laugh. Come on, if you only are the mister. Listen to me.
Yo.
Mind how you talk to me and go to
My
place.
money,
You not tell
my money, Thursday want my money, that's all. Because be a style, me no.
Listen.
Yo, me no want you, me no need you, me no beg in the front, and you come make a that your problem.
Me never beg you to sit
Yup.
down there, so.
What you mean,
Me
sir,
never
beg
beg you to sit down there, so me hear say small.
Small.
So me no want no small woman, so me never beg you down there, so listen to what me have to know. Cause you can't want me, cause me
Deep
no want
and
you.
wide,
Listen
deep
to what
and
me have
wide,
say, like your mouth.
ocean very
Like
deep
your
and
mouth.
wide, deep and wide.
Like your mouth.
Yeah man, yeah man.
Yeah, like your
yeah,
mouth.
yeah, nothing wrong with
I
that.
like run. Hey, I don't want this to take you know.
no.
I don't want to have a sun and shine and glow.
I me a tell you say,
ramp with me.
I me a tell you say, you see style we are run right now in our work, in our workout, so you do what you have to do right now. That's all.
Germs.
Germs?
Listen.
Yeah man.
Listen, Germs.
Hot water.
Leptospirosis.
Hot
Listen
water.
to what me I say. You're
Yeah,
not
hot
getting
water.
the money the Thursday. Drunk crow. Hawk on two. You're not getting the money the slime bag. You're not getting Thursday argument. Don't get so. So if you don't like it, come bite it because you don't get no money. You don't see me plate. Maybe go any cigar. My whole line of my fridge clean. What you want me to do? Eh? What you want me to do? I don't want to go to do it. Go. And just hawk on to care.
I can't put in there so.
Listen to me. Don't come in my place. Come leave me no kind of way. Hear me? I tell you. You're not getting the money Thursday. Argument done. They say, two we are big people and me. I tell us something you walk out, go violate me and disrespect me. I first now get the money, not today. And no, not today, me I say. Thursday we are coming and I go get the money. Argument done. They say, what you want me to do? What you want me to do? Eh? You come like you want me to go up on the bridge, go. Hey, me don't want to get rude enough because my mother around there saying, listen to me though. Just take a look at time and go on, box man. You're not getting the money. This Thursday, I'm a done talk. So what you gonna do? What you say?
I think I need to go back on the bridge. Because the bridge is calling.
Pepto-Bismol.
You understand?
When we go up on the bridge,
Me-
you can use what you use and can get the junk crop. And that's what you can do.
Alright, hear me.
Pepto-Bismol.
Yeah, Pepto, all the Bismol where you want Bismol, that have nothing to do with me. What me I say to you, say still, me you talking now. But only thing me can smell is some bad bum pants skirt out. Can you hear me? I say?
Like your
Say-
hole where you have down there so, behind you.
Jesus.
Behind you.
Alright.
And out there,
Alright.
out there somewhere you have down there so,
Yeah, try
because I be
this.
a post, I be
Yeah,
a post that come out of it. Be a post, see that a drain.
Yeah.
Go to the doctor and fix your business, because see that a drain. I no piss there
You
that
done?
a drain, you a drain.
You done?
Remember, me done,
You done?
me can't done, me finish.
Thursday, me a come back here for my money. And when me forward back Thursday for my money, me no want.
Listen, you're bad for your turf. You're not bad yourself. You want to say fair, and me just throw away this fire light you. Me say if you want to say fair. Eh? My friend, Take yourself and come out of my place.
It's a Thursday. I'm forward ya. You left your place.
Come out of my place. Drunk, come out of my place. Hey, let me tell you something. You're bad for fear turf for nobody else. And if your box, I will get your box. Drunk, come on, tell me, boy, you smell sitting. Eh? I have seen you smell when you not bear too much days and the girl then shot you. Hey, don't ramp with me, Drunk, nonsense. I don't want blood up. I don't want blood up my place, Rubbish. I want it special.
Babes. So I see Boxman a while ago, I yell him and said, be a screw face. How could that happen now? And this is where I see my
Okay.
How?
The reason why Boxman don't answer, because I come from a place. I'm tell him, say, you cannot get no money this
No,
Thursday.
babes, I can't say that to him. I know you have to go to him and with the argument there. Remember, say a business, and a business and him deal with it. Me want to look a piece of food too. A forward in weekend. I don't know if I can wait for that to help make up and do something.
Wait, power. Yesterday Monday we are coming weekend. I eat me one. If you stack up back some things. What you mean by listen, come here, get some. You see the money we rub out there. He might feel go wait back till he build up some more. Because we don't have none for give him. Argument done this up. So what your problem? You see the money we are coming? I have to buy food in our house. I have to buy back some more things. Put in our fridge. So what is the problem? Eh? No, sometimes I wonder how me pick up this what would I call it now? You know
Listen,
you know if woman them have much jimbling back at them come like it's a big old jimbling back at me. Cause you know meds or me a meds. You just
your medicine different from my medicine. Your meds war and violence and my meds peace. Me no can't manage face style right now. The only thing you are gonna make me do now.
What else me do? One pre-violence and pre-war. Alright, touch me. Touch me.
Then why me are going to
Touch me, me a pre-war and violence.
No, why more than me not pre this in the video? Why more than pre that with you? Remember your woman who never pre for your meds where your meds right now.
Listen to me, it sounds like you want to tell me say me go work with smile, not true? No, talk to me, man. Come on, me can read people's mind, Tell me, it sounds like you tell me something to go work for people. Talk it truth where God love you what
You never hear that come out of my mouth.
But just talk it truth. Let's go on that topic.
Come out of my mouth. You know,
Let's go on that topic. Because you see, for that you want to tell me, say, if you go work for people that now go work, because when you work for people, then give you what they feel like when they done work you out. So me want to win my own business when me have right. So I can sit down and count my money and say, yeah, and my business is some people that work for me. You understand? And sometimes I work for myself. But I don't go work for nobody because I know that you thing. I know it in your mind. Say, you better go work for somebody. You want to think about that. I'm getting upset in this man. You see what's like I'm upset? I mean, I'll take up one gas I'll like gas man there. I'll light him. Just take it. Just take it. Just go so string and I'll light him. You know, ramp with me today. Oh. I don't know where you come about. Because right now you hurt me. You actually didn't even know you hurt me. You didn't even know right now you hurt me. Where you come tell me? You have no news, you come tell me. Tell me the news. You hear who call the box? Eh?
No, sir.
You know, hear nothing. So you go out there to try to do something for your woman. Eh? Are you trying? Oi! I hope say you not go at the police station go report this,
Never tell us I'm going to
because any day you try that, you're not going to see the mud. You're not going to see, you know, you're not really know the mud right now. You don't know how sick they be right now. Any day you try that. I tell you, look come here, dear. Oh, continue.
say prayer.
Holande. Yeah,
For where?
remember say we grow and I bar, we get the things them sorted out. And me tell our else we just reach on there and make me know what go on iron.
Let's say style on.
I insist. Me and your cousin, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And me do this because you're my family. And me
Mhm.
trust you. Remember say me a business woman. Me name good out the road. You see, because of family, me not
Mhm.
make sick no family, me name spoil up out the road. You understand what me say to you? Because me don't know how the hell
So
me
where does that come from?
where me where this a come from? Me don't know how the hell me get work for you and you walk off of the man job. God left it car.
Alright. You see them sitting down now. You see them sitting down now. See, alright, this is that I think you see I'm a cousin. I still can't believe it. Those like you call me and I say you must call Link. You know, can't call me and say yo, Ray. I say what go and make Ray. You didn't know say you carry that man they give me. You know say alternator not good. Radiator crack. Suspension them a go. You know what the money me spend on that car already.
Listen to me.
No, you don't mean me. You see why like they go on yourself. And I like say no, yeah, you name Timbuktu or like you name God himself. I mean just nah man, I can't see no here go on. Can't see me go on, man. You know workers me no for there, run on road for that man there. And you talk about walk out punch up, you can't feel me. You say I walk more come as look, watch out, I don't realize that. You don't realize I walk more come as like that. Oh.
I see.
So wait again, stick up in again. The car when go there walk, I'm gonna walk all in there. But I feel like we a bit, no, I'm not gonna stay right now. Cause you have a business to do, you know. But I feel like we brother, you even link me and say, oh, why pray, just call me and come like you and come violate, man, brother. I walk come good to me and call link you, brother. Matter of fact, give me a seat there, brother.
No.
Give me a seat there.
Listen to me and say
Give me
no.
a seat there, judge.
Listen to me and say no.
Rough. Where's that going?
Remember say, me, a business woman, and me have a reputation out the road.
Mm-hmm.
First and foremost, before you collect that the car there, you know, you did fi check and find out what wrong with the car, you know. You and the man did figure a mechanic and find out everything from the car, you know. You wrong the desk, you know. You know how me working, you know say me not take certain things unless me know exactly what going on with it, you know.
Like say yourself, I'll forget your situation.
Listen to me now.
No, you can reason to me. Bo man and vehicle and thing and I tell me how you charge you and this how no good. Where insecure good. Me never check it because you make it sound like some can't
No,
trust you,
you're
man.
stupid did that so.
Oh, I'm stupid
You're
to trust you.
stupid. No, you're not stupid to trust me, you know.
Judge
You know say I saw my business work.
Judge
You should have known say you
How
fit
me
up
know
on your
your
A
business work?
game.
How many your business work? So I can say.
So if me tell us I go and go jump in the fire not hot, you go jump in the fire because the fire not hot, you go listen to what me
You
and
look
say
like an idiot. Me no know the fire hot.
No, you look like an idiot. Go take your car, no check your car.
Me ever do my work yet? Me ever do my work yet? Me ever do my work yet? No,
You know street code.
Man,
you
no
know
grieve me,
business
no
go as. Don't tell me if you don't grieve you.
Boy, little girl, yo, me tell you, sometimes wonder what more money if I test gotta test me out. I what brother, but my man rate to you. Just calm down and allow something, my friend. They are going to violate man and man, they are stressed out. Because I'm a mechanic already, I'm a mechanic, you know. I'm not pay me, you know. Halt me and buy it, you know. And the car now work. So now, how me go work the car, if you find the money, if you pay the man, much less buy the halt in your car.
You're not supposed to do all that. As a matter of fact, you have to do it now, you know. Because, you see, if I did listen in the first half and go a mechanic, this will reach her right now.
I'm not going to tell you, go a mechanic and go check all that. You know Ringo? Ringo has no sense, you know. Ringo feel like saying he can't diss anybody, and if Ringo feel like he can violate me, you know. A problem I go put myself in. So you may say, I feel charged, I feel link. I have to go raise with him.
But not a problem for raise with him, you know.
Yeah, man, I have to sort out that. You see his style?
Because I can put him in a place. Yeah. Because if I send the business and I saw business do.
Big joke thing that, brother. And then you go there say, Ray. Remember this, Wait a man, stick up in. Remember saying, you say, if you ever said, I'm going to fire, I'm going to jump. I don't do that, but if you know, say anything you say that, it goes, you know. So you tell me, if you just go run the road and make a money comedy and I make no money, I feel me glad to go do it. So I just show out for me, pre that. You know, send a pre say, alright, wash off, you get it fresh, and clean off and fully tank and me there road. But you tell me, saying work good night first half, don't get me wrong. But that you change it, you know.
You know how we deal with business, and that me I try put in your brain, Isis. But you not get what me I say. First and foremost, you're not even pick up your man call. You're supposed to pick up in call, make him know what is what.
Are you figure you for reason the man, man?
Me for reason. And listen, the man come to me say I want a driver. I get him a driver. And you want him in a business now. You understand me? And you shouldn't communicate with the man.
Yeah,
if something happen, if you know you never want to talk to him, man, you should have called me and say, cause Ray, talk to him, man. And me say, alright. Then listen to me now. Then all man get to me and tell me all of this and me get to you now. What you tell me say, man? What kind of bullshit you tell me say, yes?
Brother, you may say that. Say how go on. Cause you know, I will probably spend on the sardine and I have all I receipt them put on in a car. So, boy, I for give back money.
So what you say? You want money to fix it out? Whether them something.
Alternate, man. Watch out, man.
Money?
No, kill up yourself, man. I don't have that pencil to tell. I'm a businessman, you know, first, you know. Before me run taxi or nothing, you know, boy, you know. I always find my way, you know. But my point is this. If me do go spend this food, I feel sure I get back all of my money I spend up. Come everywhere I see them put on you.
Yeah, I forget back your money.
For everything I spend on this I carry on. Fanny first bolt buy. To I'm go buy battery. To I'm go buy shocks. Such a more make you all money really. I just that I think right now.
So me I go call him and have a reasoning with him. And then me call him and tell him what I go on.
Yeah, man,
but I need to call
the
man and talk to the man.
Yeah, man, that makes sense.
And I say you do business.
So you give me a chewing gum.
So still, your mind still the palm chewing gum?
One pair, man. They are right, man. I'm not mash up nothing from mine.
So chewing gum can't full of belly chewing gum go get gas?
No, but you go change the flavor, you know. But where is that? That's a link for though.
Yeah, just in business.
So you cook food over the cause?
No, sir, I want food. I go order, but I don't know what time it come.
No bother with that, man. So you don't cook?
No, I don't cook today.
So say what time food I reach?
Come, go on, no man, you're not business with you. I'm
Alright,
business,
come,
me
link
only
up,
for
chat
business with you. See you chop a light, I know.
You come on, you're not cool.
Aye. Hello. Where you say I go with your ISIS now? Because ISIS I tell me say you give me car with some lack business and alternator and there's them panic car. Well, if I things panic car and fix. Listen to me. That is not how you do business. When you hand over a car to somebody, the person will know everything what go on with the car. The person will know what I work, from what work, and you supposed to know that everything fixed on the car. So now you in this situation here, you can't blame him because he feel a way. And by the way, you have all I receive. What mean we can't talk over phone? You're right, because this is our business. We're not supposed to talk over phone for true. We shouldn't talk face to face. Come on, see in your eye. So, we must call in you. Oh, you're calling? Oh, alright, me I come. Give me 10 minutes. Yeah. Oh, Tada, you're a businessman and that's a businessman.
Babe.
No.
You make things sound so funny for like you have to with me, you know?
No, you know see I'm a cousin. You can't do that something there.
What mean me can do something there? Alright. I'm sure if I have love right now. You see me? Are you why me do what me do? So me know when you feel like say boy, this a boy and understand say he might try to go wrong way. See? Alright. You feel say me go give a man a broke down car for drop off poker box and sitting at a different place. You feel say hold on, before you talk, just do something else first. Because if you understand, you know, so when I box them up at one shop and I left up a few friend there. She claims say box broke in when me know say somebody knock your box and mash my box. And I can style me, I say, me now get my money Thursday.
Yeah,
and then now this man will call me now. You know for me I try to call him? Eh? When me I try to call him, I have to talk to him to find out what I go on.
But
But him
wait.
not take my phone call in at all. So guess what now? One other man, you have to understand your style and craft there and that. And for them style, me not finish yet. I'm finish. For them craft and style can't work one full angle because we have to collect money. No, you fees me and give him my car. What if drive? And give him car broke down. When me start my car and press the button and thing. A smooth sailing. No, that the man them know what. Me don't know. Maybe he go somewhere, left the car and mash up the alternator because so alternator work. Alternator have to do with current. So if he go somewhere now and then attack and left all the light on, what you think will happen? The alternator go burn up. So him burn up the things now. So who responds? Me response? Me know say your cousin, but you have to understand what go on.
Right now, I'm confused.
Exactly, the most confused because you trust your cousin with your man. Your man fit be the first thing
So
we trust.
listen.
Me say listen.
Why you behave like that?
Because me upset me
Yeah,
I lose money.
What you mean they lose? Listen,
Oh,
you make your whole neighborhood know what me and you talk about. When
That's
me
true,
come here,
that's
so
true.
nobody know what me and you talk about, you know. You're up on the top of your voice.
Alright, talk.
Like your tail in your back.
Nobody will listen. Nobody will disrespect me. You may get enough already for the day. You get me? I
So
said.
calm down yourself and talk me understand you. You talk like you want everybody here.
Alright. It is plain to see when a man a try work craft, when a man a try to hustle you, I saw them go on. You see streets, that's why I stay so organize streets and survive, mama. And you under feminine regime, feminine name. So nobody go on like say you want pick up with them people there.
Me not
and
pick
your
up for
family.
nobody.
So what you do then?
But me
You
not
jump
me not
off?
understand how you give mash up herb.
Eh,
Before you give me stop behave like that.
How me forgive myself, car?
Shut up. Before you give me car, it want me go mechanic go find out wow.
Me not have to go and make it. Me service my car and give him my car for run road. I road it. It's not like a park, my park. Me not give you something my car run. I don't know donkey with no 3 foot. You understand me? I say this
So everything the herb on the
everything
car.
went perfect. Me I tell you, mama.
So then when could I go mash up your
Me
car
I tell you
like
say
that?
what the boy do.
Well,
is
I need to
gossip.
take back a car then. Simplify. If
So all my money I go. I can collect 2 delivery making go collect and drop off 2 boxes up a bush.
me have to give that the money there. Me not understand what I want. Me I forgot to talk to him because me not understand what really I want. It one just the confuse me. Me just back and forth like me and I make like this and I just feel
Me know now confuse you. And that's a start now. I be a style and craft.
a business you talk about
Yeah,
now.
be
You
but more my business to take care of. That me I talk about. You know,
Nah,
we're
horrible.
good. Come in,
You done talk about business?
that don't talk about. You have to you have to deal with. So come deal with me.
No, get the heater now. Yeah, sir. Where are you, sir? All a bun weed.
Boy,
You say Johnny Smoker Scrub.
not really that, you know, my brother, but boy, I be a things, you.
Me say that me on the home and see on the table last night, my friend. I'm here. I be a 6 me give fear boy down there and I wonder where they help him, you know? Feel the party there. But you look at that, I'm here.
Be a things, that. I say right now, I'll see woman, they go rob all in bar and something, dog, and take over the
Who?
tight and something, dog.
That I see the question must have did there.
Right now, mama make me know say yo, a badness thing there right now. Me don't even know what to do, my brother.
Why?
Believe me, I don't know what to do right now. I'm stressed out. Me confused with everything right now, my brother. Right now, me don't even know how fit.
Boy, so the man. Don't be like Samson, you know. Don't make the lie lead you straight in the youth. You hear me try to tell you? You have to just think twice in everything what you do. Because I'm not tell about badness. You know, badness to lead the youth.
I tell mama say, yo, me go to police station and say, be an argument. No, this, you know, no
Why?
station and the police involved.
I'm not going to tell if you go to police station and I'm not going to tell if you not go. Yeah.
So what
Nah,
you think?
tell if you go.
What you think?
Nah, tell
What
if
you
you not
think?
go.
What you think?
Boy, put in a God and youth. Father God fix all problem in no charge you.
Yeah, bro, but this a woman you come like say, if me not
So
do
you tell me, say make woman more than God in your
No, I
life,
know
you.
woman more than God, brother, but watch out, man. Remember,
Brother,
say,
see
man,
amount
a
of
fall,
thing
man,
upon my
the girl
brain
that come
right
from
now.
the youth.
Cause you see right now people they call me down for them man how you want to move box. Man I tell me say you want to in car. Brother, I got a camera show right now, try to jump this right now. I want to look up some money you're gonna take up right now and buy one part of a thing from your vehicle that gonna do this and get them off from my back dog. You see it? But you go differently though. Boy, me not gonna see a good boy. You can't see it here no good, but boy, I can't tell you a boy. Just spray upon it. That's Psalms 35, you see me? And then it come like say me girl cook one, it come like it really cold. Cause for your woman, I really trust your woman, you know. You don't see what Samson, you don't see what Delilah do Samson.
Bad man, you don't really care when woman used to do before.
You hear them messing their brother, I say a good house, I come up on the time I remember say that remember say a fear used to come in hungry sometimes in a conversation. They say, "Born with no dog." You shouldn't hitch up around them, the woman there no bar my friend at college. You should have done a conversation. No way talk about that, tell about badness now. Cause see it there, you know. See it there, take up weed, made a pre-badness over woman. I don't know if you have 7 more man. So make you enter the next man in problem. What make a year to put it on? See there, say turn up on that chair like a mad out. Brother, look at that man. You do better dog. How your mother will feel? Suppose you gonna do people things right now. You do people things right now. Your mother will feel. No better fool and shit like that, but I'm going to feel anything because you believe in yourself.
Never tell us to believe in
You just tell me say you're not busy what you want to do before.
Yeah, before that.
Me not talk about now too. Me talk about now too.
No.
What you mean?
Not you she work a bar, you know, my friend. Not you she work a bar, make. You know, you remember say a bar she work still. And she have to entertain people and stuff.
What kind of entertain? What kind of entertain woman will entertain? Eh? You cannot see what God man. Come like say you want a big magnifying glass man to read through a line. And that alone me can't tell us. But you know yesterday, I'm business hard out here. So I'm not gonna say well, I can't tell us but I'm pray for you. Yeah. Let's go and hold the road, my dad.
Yo, look more, may we chat?
Yes, man.
So what happened to you now? You know, you're too dramatic.
Huh?
You're too dramatic.
Where you going with?
The same thing where you are going with.
I'm going nothing. Just sit down yourself.
I just know myself.
You know, say, when you come a while ago, I'm not going to tell you no lie. Me, your friend, I'm going to tell you the truth. Why? What kind of heat that you walk come with? Eh? What kind of heat that they walk come with? Hey, you know, I feel like I want a whole burn dash down for my body. I'm not tell no lie. So where you say I'm going with now?
You know, I'm going to talk to you.
Where you come to talk about? You come to lend more money? How much you have?
How money you want?
So which woman know have money? Every woman love money, right?
You have a bar.
Yeah, me have a bar, but you're going like saying you don't know what take place.
You know what take place. That's why I come to you now. To ask you, say, what go on with the money? Because remember saying no, I feel backs them and I feel place in her. So no matter what happen, you still have to responsible for the money. You still have to get money.
How you come to them? Where do you come to back your man? How did you me take the back them from?
Listen, and I'm take it back them from. But most of the time I come collect the money.
Listen.
So that for sure is me in right hand.
Me understand say I am man and you go come to justify things, but right now your man can't get no money. Because guess what now? Me come first and me have to deal with my business. You understand? So me just tell you how it is. You understand? Alright. So me don't know what you gonna do. What you gonna do?
You know, so if you have business, woman have to think better than that. Because what you mean by yourself come first? Remember, so one time you and him make an agreement for your box them, it was an agreement. So you can't turn back on your agreement. What you talk about?
What you want to do? Eh? What you want to do? You want to strip me and go sell me because you're going now. I don't have any money. So if the money you come to take, you come around here so and come, if you think you're bad, come around so come put on and take out the money. See
Listen.
there, me Hennessy gone. How much things in my fridge gone and now me can't refill my fridge. So what you want me to do? Eh? Me not have it.
Thank you. It's how we are bar own. It's how we know all the business go. So for this, you see, oh yeah, be a right now in a call for. I thought me and you thought we are friend girl. No make sake of money, we fall out. No make sake of money and foolishness, we fall out. I know you talk to me with respect, because I talk to you with respect from coming here. If I want me to change my character, I can do it. But as a business woman, I'm going to stay calm.
So
It better you say, listen, it better you say, Marika, guess what? Me not have that the amount of money then I'll just roll a little bit. Till me make up some money, me go no. If I have a part-time money, till me can go no the rest.
No.
No, you come and behave like say, then thief out to all of your shop, you go and you behave like say, then rob your house and everything in one. Girl, relax yourself.
No, you need to relax for yourself.
No,
Let me ask you
okay.
one question. Let me ask you one simple little question. How you know say me I make money after they rob me? If people are afraid to come on my bar right now because they say gunman a go around and a stick up my bar and a rob it. If they can come rob the box, they can come rob them when they come to spend. So how you know me I make money? I explain to you that me not have no money to give a man right now. How you can't understand that?
Hold on there. As a big business woman where you run a bar for how many years, you are telling me so you don't have money put on one side?
Girl, what you want?
And that you are telling me
You want them,
we
take
don't
them.
want no rum.
You want them, you want to take them and go sell them and go give them money? Tell me for that you want.
Hold on there.
But hold on and put step off on him.
Hello?
Eh?
Yeah, babe.
Eh? Hey, look at dirty Rasta man. Hello, I'm in a business with me, friendship and broke off right now, you know. Go on, boy, your business, girl.
Yeah, you're sure going in the background.
I'm matter of fact, your man already want for them around me.
Me so calling you.
Oh, God. Ray and never them, yeah. Ray and never them, yeah.
Me no want your white rum.
Ray and never them, yeah.
And me and your friend, and me not come in no.
How money you want? Alright, tell a man to come for your money.
So I make a man want come for me.
No, tell a man to come for your money.
Make a man want.
Because since he come and he can't manage me, he send you. So come beat me.
You really
Come
feel
beat
some
me.
would have
Am
come
I
to
blessed
beat
enough?
her for money?
Am I blessed
No,
enough?
but me would have wrong.
But am
Me
I
would have
blessed
wrong.
enough?
If you call police right now, me
Listen.
wrong. Me know rules and regulation.
Just go on.
Me
Me not have
a
money.
street woman, me
me
a
no-
business woman, me have everything in contact. So me
Girl,
now
go-
make people like you when me lose. Make other people lose respect for me. Yeah.
Just go on. Me not have no money for go on right now. When me get the money, me call no. Go on. Me can't take no.
So you tell me say you not have one account where you put on if in case anything.
No, me broke like a dog. Man not mind me.
So man, yeah.
And me a mind the man. Yes. And no,
And
I
you a
mean, I
mind the
depend
man.
on him. And me a mind the man.
You
Me
a
not have
mind-
money. Go on with your
You
business,
should have
girl.
be ashamed of this
Eh?
girl to say that.
Me should have been ashamed of myself.
Yes.
Eh? Come take the money out of the box now. See if
Me
I
if you
can
can't
make
take
it
your
back.
money out of your
Come
box.
and take the money out of the box.
One cocoa, full basket.
I done business. I don't want to this a girl, brother. So lucky so me not my right sense. Bulby, come here. No. I mean, if you come in out 20 minutes, tell me like right now. Rubbish, next one. Okay.
Wow, go on.
See, I tell me, see, you stop your girl in place before you reach to me.
Girl in place. Some stuff a girl place. I mean, I'm a virgin
Let
them
me see,
there.
man. Come. Yeah, smoke. When since I start smoke, how you do stress out?
Then if everything I get out of hand, what you think me go get?
What you mean by everything I get out? Let me tell you something.
Man, then
I'm me supposed to stress out. I feel me place and come rob, you know. What do you put 10%, you know, 20%? I feel me place and come rob. So I don't know where to take up this. Where to take up drinking and smoking for.
I know, say the same thing my friend Simeon said today. Say, yo, he never normally see me doing something about two things I get out of hand certain way. Everything, you know, not everything possible right now, cause
Look how you look.
how me look?
You look like you're gone to the dogs. I say you look like you're gone to the dog. Cause guess what no? You're not my man.
Babes,
When you're my man, you spin me back around. Listen now, when you're my man, you spin me back around because you're not my man. You is not my man. You don't look like my man. So when you becomes my man again, you spin me back around.
What you want from? What you want me do? What you want me do? In real life, what you want me do? Me try everything to make sure see you're alright certain way and
What more want from you?
no, what you want me do? What you want me do? Cause what you know me not understand. Me I try my best to make sure see you're happy certain way. You come like say you not like that. You want
Colby, you know say me being hard on you. Me being that harsh. Cause me can even tell sometimes I do a certain kind of way. But listen, you know I do nothing to help the situation. That's my problem. What you do to help the situation? You feel say drinking rum and smoking weed can help the situation when they come around my bar and take out too much things to me. Me know what they put your mind, you know. You see what up in your mentality, you so you want to go to police station and it now go work. Cause if me ever hear say Colby come make a statement to the around my bar, you're not gonna like it. You hear?
Gotcha.
Because it's one way and it's my way and the argument done there so. So tell me where you're up to.
So I say yes to life. In real life, I say yes to life with you. For you tell me about one way and a year way and me not understand like so no justice not there for me then.
Justice where? What kind of justice you want, Colby?
Normal priest still. I know you
What kind of justice you want?
No man, I tell you say you don't have to hot up your head car.
Hold on, my head not up. So you want pink if you call like hug you up, kiss you up. Oh baby, everything is fine, everything is gonna be fine. Nah. You know what you want back line, you see? You know what you want the people them backs for? So what kind of justice you want? The only justice me want right now, you know. After me get back that the money they were about at the box and my things them more than teeth up. Here? So me you know lovey-dovey with it right now. Me can sit down and tell say everything will be okay. I used to supposed to tell me say everything will be okay. And like I do nothing. Like I just a yap. So where the fun? Because right now me can't stomach you. Right now.
So me can ask you one question. I really calm me because of an argument with me.
So I call up a different thing. Where you come with biggest spit in the hand like you know gangster.
I know about gangster. And are you cause all of this because of you and hairstyle? You know say we could have solved everything but through you and your stubbornness make me have to lead to all ganja.
Listen, when I take your food to the for your hand, you become a Christian. Why you backslide the people in church? I'm matter of fact, why you backslide, God? You didn't know say God a sinner right now. Where you take me up as? One hustler. Listen, me call if you tell us say, Boxman woman come today, which is my friend. I feel like she want to come violate me. So the man couldn't manage me, so he said he look I don't know if he call her. Elephantitis foot woman.
So what you want me do? You want me go defend you too?
No, you're supposed to. Man must act like man must serve like man.
I know that me a check book. You tell me say, idea when Boxman forward, you cuss him off. And the woman come today, you cuss her off. So me if you go cuss them too?
No, me never cuss her off.
So
she cuss me off.
And you want me go defend you?
Listen, me did so calmly to them. Me right it yet. Because the rum name chip in. You understand? So now we in this part of me there. So I mean, don't think you want if you come over this side. Because you see, any you come over this side, you get knocked. And that me make you know. So listen, just go on with your business. Because you can't defend me. And no kind of way you can't defend me.
Sorry, at this you call me a pacifier.
Man, shut to me.
Something wrong with you for you.
Joe Janko.
Rasta.
There, all the time.
Big
What
up
thing?
yourself,
What
man.
you mean?
How your business?
Business are going, man, but I want to look a loophole, but everything will start out soon. You know what I mean?
Loophole, you know, say anything we get through there, and we get through that loophole thing, you know.
I know. But in a bad way, I want to take. I
Bad
don't
way.
take it to badness.
Remember, see a long time there, and I tell her, say, if you do a crime for you, anytime you're ready, I'm active.
That's cool.
Just talk to me. Oh, you link me, so what? Who if you dead?
No, you are one. You know, so we did it. I'm going to my girl there. Which one I left the box them? The poker box one sitting. And somebody grab the box them. Yeah, man, somebody grab the box them, brother. Right now it's like, and then the girl down there know bad me up like, so she feel like, say, boy, she can't style me because she has say, boy, she can't give me ropes. But she have money down her place, cause, you know,
Who's part? That's how over sir.
yeah, hot chocolate. You know hot chocolate?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So, I did this now and ropes. Have the box them, did this so.
Yeah.
The entire box, man.
See, I tell me, say, robbery go on this, so I don't know about that.
I wonder about that, so you go. Cause, you know, I feel community, so if you can find out more for me, then great for me. You know what I mean? If you say, can check it out for me?
I'll check out that. So oh, you see I go on differently. I'll check it out, man.
I say business as usual. I just go and take my time and, you know, try to spread my wigs in certain places and so forth. You know, when a new buyer one box with that place.
No, sir. I don't know nothing about that.
You know, one box.
But different. So I like to go and talk to me about.
Yeah, you know, a regular check, man. But
Tell me about bar and this. Remember saying, a contract there, I think it's a contract you can come give me as a big businessman.
no, man.
You know what that go.
When you're ready, you're ready. I know time there. Bag of money.
So yes, yeah, I mean investigate this.
Yeah, man. As me I said, just check it out. Man. Check it out undercover. You know, when you make people know, say me, you know, I sort you out, man. So when you find out who we must can get back some money for the person.
Right.
So we can actually, you know, sort out where I start out and get back to regular program.
Normal prudent.
You understand? That's all.
Well, in that case, I can make that work. But
you won't realize you don't run back at your mechanic shop. How are you going?
I'm here, man.
Don't really.
You come like I can understand who me be. Bro, you all the thing me pull down. I left the bag of yard still. Yeah, and them they alone, I scrap them and put them back up. You see what I say? I'm done with the whole car and then sitting there. They ain't sitting there now and pay me. You know what style? Tired of stylings.
Joe Janko, you name, you know?
Yeah, man.
You have to live up to your name.
Yeah,
so
man.
yeah.
You talk about... No, you don't have to worry yourself, you know.
Just do that to me.
I must say one link, man.
Yeah, tell them, man. Just link up who you can link up for me and find out who you can find out.
You know what? Me I deal with that all night, even at you know.
Yeah, come here one new place up at thing there, you know. Mumsel bar, this.
Yeah.
We have 2 backs over this, so I don't know if, you know, like, more thing you can pass through, support the whole thing, support her. You know the vibes, go?
I normal freedom, man. I
Brand
normal
new
freedom.
boxing, bro. I tell you.
Yo, if you tell you the truth, you know. I always tell us, you all you have to do is just pay me a little money and make sure say everywhere govern. But you see, because you don't really want to run no food, you know, that's why I don't make fear thing then. Watch ya. You see if you pay for protection fee. They say they're alright, Because anyway you think there, you know somebody make sure say that's safe.
Secure,
you tell me say man.
Alright, me I talk to you after here, bro.
Talk to me after the year.
Yeah, man. I'm say after here means a different spot, different location.
Yeah, man. Right now, I money conversation I like well, you know.
No, that
I know where you go.
No,
Go on for all day. Look all my cup I get empty. Me and see back kind of empty too. So you know where that go.
You know what I say? I link you. And we have a proper conversation. That conversation, you know, we just know say a business straight. You understand me I say?
Normal.
Joe Janko, big up yourself.
Connect.
And we shall get it. Yes, sir.
We shall get it.
Alright.
Yeah. Jaja, you. Sir. Right for you now.
Where you go? How much money go?
Boy, no say that now drink a little soda because I feel bad and try little things see that.
I don't want to hear what you say, but I say because you don't get to hear what I go on. Because you see I try calling for your phone, and your phone not work. Where you go?
Can I say my phone not connect with you? I don't know where I go.
No, but alright, so what me carry?
So mama talk to you?
Mama always talk to me. Mama have to talk to me. Mama never...
Where you carry your garage, brother?
Garage? Alright, so...
Yes, Marcus. Wait. First and foremost, your father said how to see me play my box. They didn't even tell me good evening. Then he said good night. You know?
Bro, I'm telling you about me forward there, so I never plan to see you. So I have to say good evening and good night. But since you see you,
Me I say how my money go, that me I talk about. Cause you talk about, yo, stop play for me box.
Oh, fear box is that?
Bartender, where bartender there? Yeah man, stop play for the box.
So give me money for box then, man?
Money, no, alright, so how much money I got, brother?
All for money go me spend for your 40 car where you give me. You didn't even tell me say your car get problem. Alternator no good, radiator no good, shocks no good, nothing for your car no good, brother. You tell me say
shocks no good,
brother.
Yo,
brother.
When me get my car, see everything up and running. Me now give something what now work, brother. Let me talk about. How you go?
Yeah, me say me have my receipt them still.
Have you receipt them?
I'm receipt them still. So you
alright,
say
so
much money me figure?
Eh?
Much money me figure?
Regular money 40,000 a week.
Oh, you see first receipt. Don't reach 45. You understand?
Alright, just say that.
I'm gonna bring the rest of them forward to you. I'm gonna bring a vehicle to you.
Bartender!
You dig?
But,
you just free me up. Can you see me there, so I try to make a look and say, like, I tell you, say you're salty, you. I don't know, daddy. You say from my cousin. You say, and I'm saying, like a girl like me, this same.
Alright,
I mean, why introduce me to you for you?
You hear me, I say?
Brother.
Which place am I carry? This one I carry?
Garage.
Garage. Which garage?
Oh, and I sit there, man, Joe Janker, man.
Joe Janker.
And Joe Janker, I work for me, brother.
Everything good.
Oh, what's your name? Oh, no matter move. Hey. Matter of fact, I call Joe. I feel like I can move here, I'm gonna get money in a bad man. Hey. Joe. No make nobody trouble the car, you know. Remember, no make nobody come move the car. Matter of fact, oh, hide the key. You don't have the key. You mean give a key feel. Right. Bright and fierce. Man can't spoil my vibes. But come on, man. Mad. Hi. See, I'm gonna get the money, eh?
Yo, come on.
Yeah?
Forward.
How are you going?
Yo, man, brother, you. I like how you look that.
How happened?
You have to tell me because if I kind of feel like a baby the way I deal with the on your brain, dog.
Oh, Pinky?
Yeah.
A good girl, man.
But here I go on.
Good girl.
Remember, say, how long you in a dog? And dog, me get some experience with probably you might not get yet. You understand? But I want to tell you that. So when it comes to human thing, dog, when you keep your eyes open, you know. Listen to me, I say like a first no man. Love a girl, you know. But don't love a girl with your eye closed. And remember, say at the end of the day, you are the most important one. Because without your heaven straight, you understand relationship. You understand? So, dog, you know, you free, like I say, it's everything. And like I say, you know, everything good, because everything can good sometimes. Everybody have a past, everybody have a personality. Everybody we want around you like a woman. She go make you feel good when you there where she there, and she go make you think how she want you to think about she. You understand? So you have to look for another personality there and give her rope and watch her and see what she do.
I understand the answer still, but where you come from?
Bro, me and your brother you and you look like I mean no say you nothing more enough blood cleat upon your brain dog. Look how you pass me look how most a girl they are pretty bad. Most a girl they upon your brain.
Mama good and I'm good. Two are we good.
Sure, brother.
We good, but what you know? The things upon my brain what happen. And I like me can't explain it to you now, cause what?
So she style you?
No. No. But listen, I do you right, my brother, man. I say, yeah, try to look out for me, sir, and show me you're right.
Up in your
but Mama love me, you know. I know say Mama love me, you know. I know say Mama love me, you know.
Listen, let me tell you something about love again, dog. Love have dimension. You see me? I can see a girl for the first time and love her, but love her how much and love her for what? Plant like a seed, grow like a tree, and it can dead too. So just pray when I say that, I don't tell her no. As your bigger brother. That I tell her.
Judge. You don't talk now?
Yeah man, I don't talk, but just remember say, I don't talk and I finish talk. And I say nothing more about this. What's up in your eye, my brother?
I go up and move me here, man, cause right now, understand what I say, but we're good, man.
Just do it right here, youth.
Yeah.
Don't stress yourself.
Father Joe.
Yeah, my bro.
He's a hard man for find you out.
Anyway, go man. That's how it's set, man.
So I can sit and do it. You see that man that come check you?
Brother,
About the car.
I don't tell you one thing, you know, so I don't really want you to send no man to me. Like,
No, I ain't say no man.
If when you call me, I say,
Brother,
I'm not picking no man car or something. I'm not tell you already, so, brother, look, that's what we are dealing. No man not pay a deal in a food deal. You see,
no, watch you know. Remember saying, I feel him car. But watch you know. I spend some money on the thing, brother. Must wash this a piece of food I go spend again on it. He can't get back his car and give me money, brother. Am I wrong or am I right?
You're right, but watch you pray now, you never tell me that.
No, but me not have to tell you all of that.
Right now, I take junk off the pumpkin. How you take the thing for, bro? But don't tell us that we don't do the something, you know.
Brother, I know that, brother.
So it's like right now. Wait. You do a man a favor.
Who want me to do a favor?
While you do a man a favor, me I do you a favor. So if favor me I do is like me I do for it and next.
Me not do no man no favor. That I say me that I responsibility deliver them on some style.
Different.
What you know, man?
You know you're not born or robbery go on that place.
Robbery.
Yeah, man.
What kind of robbery?
What I mean by robbery, man? What kind of robbery? Me I talk about robbery.
No, you about no robbery overall still.
Yeah, man. When I from my virgin go and check me, I say, Pinky bar get robbed.
So then take out eyes.
What's the?
So Joe, what make you just interested? I get asked about robbery, Joe. Joe, me know you know Joe.
Just ask you. You don't hear them a call on name
Joe.
or none. That me ask you, brother.
So how you get them as in years?
How I'm to you, man. You watch out my style. Remember say,
Ray-Ban.
bro, how I'm to you, man.
Joe.
Talk about my dark glass. Cause right now it's like you question everything, brother. I may ask questions, bro. How I'm to you,
But then
man.
again, still that's not really my business.
You're right. Enough for your business.
But let's make you afford 15 ideas still, huh?
Bro, remember say we have a crime for dealt with, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we still have one different crime for dealt with. You know food for you, but you can't ask no question. You have to just drive when I say to drive or just pick up food and drop off for drop off. But you have to name food, brother.
Oh.
You have to name food.
Oh.
So you say,
can buy an iPad and an iPhone too. Or let's put on me stuff.
We say that type of nice, man. You chat it so loud.
Man. Chatty.
Different. You're not nice here.
No,
you don't name a call.
No,
That have to tell me, man, as long as, you know. I'm just trying to find out what to do. Because I want to know how I go on. Yeah, man, because my boy called link me earlier and I said, so I have to know. I have to know. Yeah, you know where I go, man. We can't come. I show it a little bit off of this. I'm going to go deal with that.
Yeah, man, do you have to do, man?
Alright, my brother.
Can't
come, man.
You know a code, man?
That is it.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
She's like the big bad wolf, no reasoning ability. Smiles when she see the money. Hell of a fury like a woman's card. From love to hate, now the war is on. She's like the big bad wolf, no reasoning ability. When love turns hate, it can be so deadly. You used to be my ride or die. She say you love me, but you love the high. She sharp like a blade, cut deeper than a knife. It's like you want revenge. Me never know say love could have twist so. All want me try, you now let go. Create some poison, now it overflow. She's like the big bad wolf, no reasoning ability. Only smiles when she see the money. Hell of a fury like a woman's card. From love to hate, now the war is on. No reasoning ability. When love turns hate, it can be so deadly. Now every word turns to argument. Every message feels like judgment. You match up everything we spend. Heart full of rage, no sentiment. You switch up fast, we can't recognize you. Love gone cold, we see it in your eyes. From kisses to cussing, real disguise. Love used to leave you.
Where's you going now?
If I say I make a relationship go in real life, cause what do you miss to say, you know, move right in so you tell me about now, you know, me and one bag of sitting, you know. So I just make it just go one place.
Which relationship? Say it's not a year. Cause it come like me now hear good. Me not tell her say me a left. Eh? Me not tell her say over. Eh? Listen. You need to tell me where you call me out of suffer. Because right now, you just upset me spirit. Tell me where you call me out of suffer. You make me left me yard.
So all of this one.
All of what?
I'll tell them I talk to my brother. My brother know what go on. Matter of fact, I'm raised with me and one bag of
hold on there. Fear look work list, brother. Fear brother they talk about. Listen, my friend, let me say something. You see, something know say, you see, he devil a work for you, you know. He devil a work for you from what day. Remember me tell you, say, like, they obey you for sure. Where you come and tell me where brother for? They look work list junk, they don't like him, you know. You and your brother and your sister and your cousin and your whole generation, then come, you don't really want to put your mother inside of it. When you come like one big bungalow, I don't know if you pile of show. I don't want to get disrespectful to you today, you know. What you call me for? If a feelings and relationship you call me about, that now go work. Because you know, depend with me, depend right now. Relationship can't fix back my bar. Feelings worse can't put back money in my bar and rob my bar. So where you call me out of suffer? Eh?
You talk like I mean rob a bar. Like, you know, you talk like say I mean rob a bar.
Glad to see you,
man.
Yeah, man.
So what's popping?
There's a car. You pull up on bike now.
They say ready for me, can I talk about car, bike, bad man a buy. I'm going to buy a bike that the man even give me things. Watch out now, you say I go and fit machine. Ready for me now?
We have to crush that car, I'm the first man.
Crush car, what do you mean? I fake me curve them, go and smoke a curve them.
Wrong, dear man.
So you say grandfather Joe. Where is it? What we have to go do?
One place where I go, man. So I go take up something.
So she bought the vehicle, man. You say you fix the vehicle and we go up on the mission, brother.
This is how we can use and go up on the mission.
Man, yo, dog, brother.
But we are the...
Brother.
Watch out. Remember, see how money do things, you know.
Yeah, you tell me, say. Remember, say, you know.
Remember, say still. No, listen what I say. See, everything that I trust you, so. So I really go fix car gear. Make you go run. How I'm to you.
Brother.
I not trust no boy, you know. Money, I trust you.
Brother, Joe, I tell you this, you see it now. I know I never trust you.
Give me my light.
I'm light to crave me, man. Leave it light, man. I know I never trust you, Joe. Well, I'm a big eat that thing, brother. I'm a big eat that, but I'm not see a word still.
I the crave and top of chatting, man. Chatting, you come out upon you.
Watch back this, you. People back bar, brother.
Listen to me.
So I know you go tell me, say, I'm going to play some people things, brother.
Listen to me.
I'm going to tell you, man, brother, I come and stress you and stress me up more right now, charge you, dog. You see it?
Yo, remember, see, I not just know joke and crap, but you know. And if you link me, you want a crime get crush. We just say, crush you and done. In this case, your car you want to fix.
You go crush your crime.
Listen to me. You go in a car.
So what the fuck? What you want?
Like you want police lock you up or something.
Police. So what you plan for this, Jack? Someone come like that, someone come like that. Where are you pray for go do? So police in 5 now this. So where you plan for go do that?
Yo, certain things we can't talk, brother. You hear me I tell you? And everything we can't
come
chat.
Like a wild goose, you say I camp on the show. Come like a wild goose, you say camp on the come like a wrong thing if you can make your come to you.
The car are sort out, man. They have one place park up. You see what I say? So you see after I done deal with that, you just get it back. But first thing, tonight, me and you go to her skirt.
Man, no,
our time
come like a Chinese, they chat to me, chat. I make me confuse all myself.
I'm check it time. Alright. After 4 now, check me back 6 o'clock.
Alright, I buy some gas and come back, see?
Yeah, I buy some gas.
Yeah, man, because nothing night tank. I don't tell you
you're ready to go up on the road.
Looking at it, there's nothing night tank.
Yes, in a tank, man.
Brother, that can't go where you want to go, brother.
That's true.
That can't go where you want to go. See, you don't
Watch
tell me
out.
about police. Yeah, police let it down.
No worry your head, man.
Give
Just
me
make,
1,000.
just
Give me
make,
1,000, man. Put
me
it in
not
my
give you no
pocket, man.
money, brother. How
Brother,
I'm
brother,
here.
give me some money.
Brother.
Give me 5 bills.
Are you forgive me 1 5 bills? You don't have no money for you.
Just give me some bad, man.
You don't have no
Just give me
Yo,
some, man.
go on, yeah. Go on,
Squeeze
yeah.
it and give me the money. I'm
Go on,
also,
yeah.
brother. I don't have 5 bills there. Give me 5
Joe
bills,
John
man.
gonna run charity. How you take me thing for?
Brother,
Are you for your money come give me?
brother.
Yo,
Brother.
brother, just check my back here, man. We just run the crime man down here, man. Cause right now,
Brother, me tell you,
you see what your friend do. That's why I'm not treat. Watch, yo, bro, listen to me.
Brother.
You see if you're never my friend. Go on,
Man, you see,
road.
man, me tell for the change, I make you give man, then leave me thick, man.
Start the bike and go on for us. Until we can't start.
You may try to tell you, brother, brother, watch out, man, tell you, boy, my boy, thing, brother.
I'm gonna start. Your bike can look nice there.
Brother, you me, man,
you see
me
easy for
start
thief,
man,
you know.
no start, me, yeah, them hard, me start man, me start.
Easy for
Me will
thief.
start man.
Start, you know.
Box. Me will start.
Engine sound nice, man. I hope you had your parking, not
Go
sure?
on. Now what you say all the bad man?
Boy, you know, so the box I'm there try to fix the boy car.
So you can fix box?
When I time I go up on Google, of course, and research how to deal with it, you mean, watch out.
Everything I see on Google for believe, you know.
I know that, but at least me I try something.
So you say I go on different level. Rotted.
What
You
me
up,
tell
man.
you say? What me
You
tell
up,
you
man.
say?
Me say
What me tell you say?
Yeah, little use, man.
What me tell you say, youth? Cause you know, if you tell the truth, though, youth, I box up on my brain, though, I couldn't if I know, so cause I left me plan for left here, you know, but true, the box and
But
now.
see now come up.
Nah, come on.
Like you do same thing, man. I cannot fix it good, man.
No man, say this goes in graphics, you have to wait. Anyways,
No, I come find you as still, cause you know I feel your place, you know.
boy,
Yeah, man.
boy, me do want cut from earlier, you know, my boy, but watch out now. No, say in real life, though, my boy, I cut me, say me don't want cut off, you know, say box up on my brain, so I just research how to fix it fast and quick. I know, say, alright, when I cut, me can cut. Willingly, I know, say, I don't have them sitting up on my brain, you know.
At least me I can do some business. If me don't bother them box, I give problem, I can link you.
Me Google have everything, right now,
But-
cut me, I go cut on
But
anytime
me say
now.
still.
Yeah.
You know a nigga named Joe Janker.
Joe Janker.
Yeah, man. Joe Janker, man. But that's why they call him Joe.
No, sir.
Or old Joe.
No, sir.
You may come up and come buy one crib in a special. And me see he come over here. I'm sure so me see him come aside.
Joe
I understand.
Probably me know who you are
Special
talking for sure, you know.
crave,
Probably
yeah,
me
man.
know who you are talking, but me no pick up it. Pick up him in
So
my
JD
brain.
man and James shape, man. But anyways, long story short.
Yeah, cause right now
I feel like say that the little thing I'm going with them, I just feel like saying he involved in it.
Joe Janker.
But then I hear from me, you know. I'm even 100% sure. But to a boy I move, you smell the rat in the dark. Alright, then boy I'll hold on for a little vehicle I have around there, like him a try use craft on
Who
me.
that? Who?
The same boy me tell about
Joe
brother.
Janker.
Yes, man. They tell
You
me
know
say,
no picture of him, you
No,
know no
I
picture of him.
no, brother, I don't have a picture of no man from my phone. That we can get picture still. We get a picture of Eilis. But I don't have a picture of no man from my phone, brother. You see me?
Boy.
But you may say still, like, I feel just know you're still in the car. Right now, I made off to deal this thing, and right now, I pray for a link card for my big brother, them dog, and see if they can deal it for me, dog. Boy, I'm not put myself in a problem in the dog, but my boy Joe Janker, them, I get too much trouble right now, because I feel I'm tear down your box in one eye. What do you know?
Joe Janker.
Because I say box tear down today. 2 days after I clean off. And the next day, you see me, I'm going to ask me if me hear who to wrap box. That's suspicious. But she and my dog, I see it they are stressed, that's why I say I say it here, dog. You know, just keep your eye open. Because man, when we come tear down your place and come back up and come watch, you know. And listen, fear in here, call back, you know, so. Just not say it to nobody, just watch out.
No man, me I see
You see
pretty
style.
man. You know say what you when me and reason boy. Like every word you say, makes sense
So me
now
go
to
some.
me.
Me tell you, I'm not right yet. You see me a profit youth. But
Boy,
where say go on still? Cause me didn't even know how go on.
you know say, woman already up to certain way everyone thing, bro. I know me realize and see it for myself certain way. I know say yo.
So weird.
All along me I
Where's that
fool
one?
myself, my boy.
Where's that? I show up in color them fire.
Not only in color them.
I'm not gonna sit though.
In
How
true
far
farm.
this? So how far this?
You know say after mama.
So now I work on in box too.
Brother, that's why I want to hurry up and cut before I reach. Because I don't even want mama see me right. That's right now, bad man. So are you make me all day so long to you know?
Bad man, you go on such a
No, bro, but you know what? Where you say that? Where you say? Where
Are
you?
you calling man? I get.
I cut me a cut. I cut me a cut. Me not turn you, so me not turn you. Me not turn you.
Man. So me a call B&B no one answer. No more. To me a call this a man and he not answer. Bulby, me see a little dirty style from what you know. And me just sit down keenly and watch you and see how you move. But me tell you something, no stick on me, you know. How me they call you and I get you? Eh? Why me I call your phone and me not get you? And I like say me just a call me, alright, me call up on regular. Me hear voicemail. When me call up on WhatsApp, it is a ringing. So I like say there's some way and you not have on service by your phone. I see me they call you don't want to answer me. But me tell you something. And the money me I call you about. Not true, me tell you say me and you left. You feel say the money. If you stay with you true, me and you left. Me tell you something, me know why you ramp with me, because guess what? Business come before pleasure. So get this in your head. Make sure say the money they still did it and me want it. Because me not understand for your style, you know. I love you come boy, you know. And me tell you say I'm working with Frank Wadi, so and that's why everything cut off with me and you. So listen to me. Me want the money. And if me not get the money, a problem between me and you know too. You hear? So my friend, answer the phone. Me call you one more time. I say if you not answer, you're not gonna like it. What box man a call me for? He come like this man and say, you know, see car waiting. This man come like he's sick in our head. Hey, what you want? Where? Alright, come link me the right at the car wash and here what go on now. Me a smoke one cigarette and you see if I make it done, you're not gonna like it. So hurry up and come. Rubbish. Anyways now, you Mr. Bulby, business come before pleasure. Me want the money and the argument done. Nonsense. It's a dirty man, you know, sister, me a chat for my phone.
She's like the big bad wolf, no reason inability. Smiles when she see the money. Hell of a fury like a woman's card. From love to hate, now the war is on. She's like the big bad wolf, no reason inability. When love turns hate,
My pretty bad bro.
Brother,
See how the vibes.
I do know. They up on the ground one. Just throw out and say, oh, I would like to rush on the road, you know I go.
That me realize.
So you what do you with?
Yeah, you know, say me have one bad preview show you do.
What?
You know, say the same girl here they want about
Mm-hmm.
right now.
That I see him could be there.
Right now, me and him right now, me just give him a break right now. Right now, me a ease up half you know. Done with that right now, you know. Yeah man,
Brother, to how me see you look at that you know, bro. Right now that good for you, you know.
Then
Why? I bet see me hear that from you cause all day me know like how your son.
how me this son?
Your son stress out, bro.
Oh yeah, what for stress?
Brother,
What for stress?
No, me know when my brother happy. Yeah, and you never look like I say. You understand? Yeah, man, you just look. You understand? You know me I talk
man. I talk about that. Right now, you don't know say all what day. Mama go call me, I go tell me, say, even though me and her left, she want the money same way. If it want piece of food, let me forget. I tell her, say, me I go give her some time, but me no did it again, so me not go take my money.
Your money?
Yeah, my money.
Ah, she forget. So you owe her.
No, me no want no.
So what you gonna do?
Boy, then best thing, I not tell you the truth, me can't do nothing, me not do nothing, because me and her left already, so it don't make sense.
God, brother. No, you that blood not running in my vein, you know that. You see me? You know, girl clown now in our family, you know. No, me just want to hear what you going to do. No, me have to ask you. You know, because me know you're well trained. You understand? Even you might fall off, you have to go, you have to forward back. You understand? Alright, so. Find that you say no, bro. So, brother, you not give her no money, right?
No, sir.
Alright. A bar with it, right?
Right.
So, you go spend piece of money, right?
Yeah.
And we have a drink, right?
Another little dirty Rasta man I can't reach. I know he can't reach.
Yes, man.
How? Where you going with that now?
I'm there, man. You know, it's like when you understand, say, we might take things too far because I kind of go through some situation. I want money. I need money as some behave. You understand me? I say, we're going to show a situation is more, you understand, say, we can work out certain things. But that's true, how you want to tell me to, you tell me like, say, me not need the money and all them something there. Like I feel like, say, boy, you know, me not get no money. And that was my problem. So, I don't know if you can understand. So, you're sorry for certain things, and that's just it.
Oh, well, I'm sorry to you know. I'm sorry for deal with you so a day, but I just part of life. Just part of. But here I go now, you have to understand, say, when a girl need money, she need money. And right now, me need some money to sort out some things right now. You don't realize, say, me bar gone na papa, eh? You don't realize, say, me Hennessy gone and me shop just look like one little rug rat. You know, see how in the look.
I never pay attention to that because that's not nothing for me. So, yes, a girl needs money, somebody needs money too. Alright, so you tell me so now, because you, a girl, need money, me don't need money. That you say? Alright. Me come here for peace, you know, but based on how you make it sound like, say, boy, me not important and that not fear. You understand me? I say? Some don't know how this come about where I say a girl need money and so a business where I do.
No, look at dirty Rasta man. Look at dirty Rasta man. Tell me something. You come out just to talk business or you come out just to load up more panic. Because I don't want to empty every clip in here right now, you know.
Empty every clip?
Hear me I tell you? Eh? You come like you don't have no sympathy for me. You don't see how they
do me. What mean sympathy? How sympathy come in this situation?
You don't see how they do me bar.
Me not see nothing, me not see. Me come
you
there.
don't see how they do me bar.
Me see me box, me not see no bar. That me a talk about. So how it a go then, boss? Because right now, I think so we can only talk and reason so. But you talk about me feel have sympathy for you. Me need money. Eh?
Okay, so you come out just so you can chase me like a girl.
Come chase you call it?
Because right now you not act like a man, you know. You're not acting like a man. You act like some little dirty girl on the roadside. Let me tell you something. You see my bar come first. You see the box them what you have in there? It come last to me right now. You hear me I tell you? You all of my top shelf liquor then gone. So what you want me to do? Eh? What you want me to do? You come like you want to come near me alive. Dirty drunk crow. Because you come and say me have to talk in a peaceful mode and then you come and say with a little antics. Eh? Like a life a scratch you. Life a scratch you. It a scratch you. Watch your crosses. You're big. You know say one big old you want big old cry and me rub your pot.
Here I go on now. Because if me go full of fist in your face, me I go to jail. Because I saw justice system still. So guess what I do? Me I go to police station and make them deal with it.
Fist, what you say?
Hey,
full fist and what?
Hey, me.
Any day you try that. Me say any day you think you better try that. Eh?
What mean and day me table
Any
try
day you think you're bad, try that. All fist in a who? All fist in a your
Hey,
hey.
hey,
I don't want this say, you know.
Hey,
One
alright.
more fist in a who.
You know me, I don't-
Shut up. You see a girl? Stop send a girl to me. Stop send a little waist girl to me. Cause me don't want to do no things. Here, me send one man come right to now. Don't
Send
rank
one
with
man
me
come
here.
right to her.
But
So I shouldn't me now.
wolf is
I
now.
shouldn't me now.
Wolf is now. Me say we take this and drown
Alright,
you.
hear me now,
Drunk crow.
Me gonna make the police come take out me box them out here dirty stinking boy when now gonna nowhere. And that me I say to you.
You know go call the police them?
Eh?
I'm afraid of you and I'm afraid of the police them.
So that you say?
When the police say come, me just draw down my clothes and hey, you see how people place me there. How people place me there, I don't really want them to see who me really be.
Remember you started.
Drunk crow.
Remember you
Go
started.
on.
Remember you
Go
started.
on boy your business.
Remember you started.
Boxman, go on boy your business.
Boxman,
Dirty way.
eh?
Drunk crow. Father God, forgive them for what they don't know what they have done. Uncle Burrow. You not hear me? Uncle Burrow. Yeah, me just start hearing now. You know what I say? You say, when me need help, me must call upon you. Now that I say. Uncle Burrow, right now me need help. You know what I say? This look dirty Rasta man. Alright, let me calm down. Alright, this look dirty Rasta man. Me rent some box from him. Yeah, me rent some box from him. I know say then come broke the shop and take out every money from out of the box. All my top shelf liquor then gone, my fridge clean. I want to see my bar look upside down. The little dirty man come now. I push badness to me, Uncle Boy. No. Tell me something now. No say nothing yet. Let me talk. Don't say nothing. Let me talk. If I'm not talking, I'm going to understand. You don't know what I say? A little things that I have in a shop, and then I survive after you know. So I try to sell them to make back some money if I can put up my business and things. Uncle Burrow, the man come check me a while ago and I push badness to me. Say, how? He might come analyze me and kill me little dirty uncle. If me see how my uncle hug you like a water. Yes! A man say you can't mash your ants. Eh? And that the little dirty man say. No, Uncle Burrow, tell me. Tell me now. Tell me. Eh? You can imagine this little dirty Rasta man want come analyze one little niece. Eh? Your favorite niece. Uncle Burrow, what I mean by if I prank me, I prank you. I tell you say a real life something no man say I come analyze me and analyze you and the whole generation. And that me I talk about, Uncle. You see. And so me know say you're bad for you. Hey! Yes, Uncle Burrow. So right now me need help. So you have to go just do the right thing and now. Yes, Uncle Burrow. Me sure how me they say right now. Alright, my uncle, now see a word. Yeah. Now fix your business before you fix me. Drunk crow.
Boy, I go on like he's smart, you know. My boy have the money upon him, you know. How this? Oh, yeah. Boy, what I go on? Jano, I come like a wrong call they make, bro. I know some man done deal with them, there's something there already, man. You see me? Yeah, change in life, you know, brother. Different thing, man, I deal with. Different way, I drink some rum and enjoy life. Yeah, alright, sweet. That man, I tell you. I will just link next man. Yeah, alright, blessings.
a girl. Let me go jack one of them beasts, them and Father God. God and time. Now, tell them, man, want to make a sofa. Check, this a mad girl, brother God. Yo, Father God, give me patience. Give me strength. Man.
Oh, you.
Why pray now, my G?
You, eh?
I pray now.
No.
You're good.
Where your friend there?
Which friend? Which friend?
Remember which friend?
I don't know where we are talking.
Ball be me a talk about.
Oh, you know what I'm saying? Last time I see up your bar door. I will pay a box. You know?
So you don't know where ball be there? Listen. No, but I can't use a big head right as support me. You know where your friend there. Go and see your friend. Listen to me. Your friend owe me some money.
So make us wait.
I want it.
We don't just stick up in. We don't change it up. Just stick up in. Yeah, man.
So you're reaching a relationship?
So,
eh?
Oh, you bring a relationship
Oh,
to
you're
me?
reaching a relationship. Me ask you say if I see your
me
friend.
Me there say drink my soap. And you are going to tell me say him owe your money. In your relationship business you can tell me so what if a man owe a woman money? You make it
My friend.
You make him man thing look shaky, brother.
My friend.
And style them if you know say
Them things that making thing look shaky. Why you not scoop up your shakiness and near me and belch you back out? Cause you come like see you're sick in your head. Listen to me, my friend.
You want prayer, you know?
You know where your friend there and you don't want to tell me.
Oh, listen to
so
me.
what you mean by you don't know when they?
Rally keep tomorrow.
Where you say me you want prayer? Me want prayer. Say yeah, big your favor the rally. I don't want this year out today, you know. You know where the man there and you don't want to tell me when they.
Father God, what make you have to send so much tribulation into my life, Father?
Father God, make you have to send so much tribulation.
So, I mind my business. And then come
and your generation, them are tribulations in your life. And them are tribulations. You come and tell me I need to go to church and I need to go to rally tomorrow night. And you need to go to rally.
You want baptism, yeah?
Rubbish. Your friend come like one big bungalow shit. I want to text in and wash on away. Drunk. Listen, tell your friend, say, me want my money when you owe me. That's all me at say. Give him the message.
Right.
Rubbish. And tell him say top shutter is back.
Okay.
Drunk crow.
Okay. Tell us about that no sense, you know. Come like say come like a Della Pen or mad or him work daddy. What kind of woman that man? Charge you.
But nobody never see me pain. Silent cries like falling rain. When me fall,
You want my money?
nobody
Me
there.
want my money. So
No,
she have
me
one
lost
like
and me
this.
can't be found.
That's joke
Everything
business,
just
this
turn
one.
upside down. Too late
America.
to care now. Too
Where there?
late fear now. Me cry out loud, but no sound. Every day me fight for survive. No smile on face, me dying inside. Pressure build and me start slip. My mind get dark. Me did a call, but nobody here. Me did a fall, but nobody care. Now when me gone, them shedding tears. But me alone face all me fears. When me fall, nobody there around.
So I style now.
Go on.
So I say come meet me.
No, brother, you don't know, say, in real life. Like me just y'all quick back to my brain. I know say check me left me hard to say me I come check you.
You girl a mad there, no?
No, listen up.
Girl a mad after you,
Yes,
know?
me see over station.
Oh.
My box man.
So
Me have to, no, I know that. They don't know say. Me no want get caught up in it. Me I go so box man go see me and call police here soon. So me turn back. And
so you're guilty or something?
no, me not guilty or nothing, my friend. Me not guilty or nothing, but what you know, me no want to say me accomplice, you know, my friend.
Yes, brother, you tell me if you come in to down your road, brother, man, down your road how long I wait for you, I can't see you, my friend. Till who pop up on me? Who pop up on me? Your woman friend for Bellevue.
My woman.
No!
No!
Give me money, me hold.
No! Which money me hold,
No, give me money.
Which money?
Come on, this girl see me
Brother.
now, come hot at me,
Brother,
my
listen me now, me forget piece of food.
Come at me with that big stone, my friend.
But you not hear me I say. Me forget piece of food. And my woman, a piece of food me forget. From in time, they me think me tell about it already too. And it's like, mama they plan for my money. Where they forward for me now. And
you know, say come like say me should have got college to choke. Come like I go turn counselor for no. Cause you they can't tell me about money business and the message just give woman.
But wish you man you come like you know hear me. You come like you know hear.
I know say
I
you
know,
going around there.
yeah, either way, you
Me
come
know
like
say
you
by
don't rate me,
little
you
more,
don't rate me.
me know say by-
You don't
me
rate
know
me.
say tomorrow.
So,
matter-
wait, let me ask
matter
someone.
leave
Bad
it
man,
tomorrow.
listen now, what me go back around this go do? A problem, woman, that woman want myself no problem for me never grow
So
like
you never
that.
say that. You
No,
never say that. You
Bad
never say
man, I
that.
show you some
How
time.
long wait
like
till that?
Yo, bad
How
man,
long wait
that's-
till that?
That's normal,
You never say
brother.
that.
Brother, that's
So
normal,
me
brother.
reason me for you to get loud and more.
Because you tell me foolish.
Brother,
Some
come
man,
like
I
you're
want you
idiot.
ugly
If you
like.
have-
Me, you come down here
Bad
for.
man,
Go
but you
on
know-
back here, man. Come here, shape right, come like say different.
You
for you.
left me out.
Alright, watch out, where you dip on?
Matter of
Come
fact,
here,
yeah,
go drink a
you
drink.
may say, drink just that my business that we talk about
Alright,
since day one, daily.
what's that again? Come
You
tell
see,
us
I remember
again.
one go drink. Me see, I get a stress in a four more. I take a shot for the go on.
Where you say you
Go
can't
on,
talk to
brother,
me?
rum,
Where
rum.
you say you can't talk to me about? Cause business is
Where you tell me if you call me to them there, suffer?
you know, remember, that's why I tell you to tell me
Tell you say,
again.
girl, you're mad, you. Take care of your mind, brother. Yeah.
Boy, 5 days ago me come. And they... Hey. Wait, Boxman report me at police station. Okay. Oh. Here, everything good, man. Everything, Chris. Everything good. Let me tell you something. I'm not afraid of Boxman. I'm not afraid of the police. If police come right now, I don't give one shit about the police nor the Boxman. I'm matter of fact, why you even call me phone and tell me this for? Man, come on my phone. I'm here by, drunk crow. As people are coming at them place, you come and call me for rubbish. Sure.
Alright. Listen. Which part you from, man? Eh? Alright. You know, so me go to a police station. Girl, me go to police station yesterday. What do you mean to me go to police station yesterday? You see, girl,
Wait, calm down. Why you are talking to me?
because I'm upset. Alright, I'm upset with you. So don't make this upset business on fall upon your head.
No, but you have to go to the park.
Yeah, alright. Sorry about that. See, what me I say is this. See, the girl, me go check the girl, and I say me have to drop peace.
Which girl?
Pinky, what have the box them what if you start the month. I'm gonna say to her, I say, yo, sorry about certain things and irritated. And the girl that come go on like say, boy, she want what yo? And she has this style me again. I'm gonna say to myself, say, yo, you know for that because if me go do her something the real way, you know, I jail me gone. You understand me? I say, so I go to police station and make a report and make them go pay fee. Them figure go them then go check her and see what. What? Eh?
Where you have under?
Me have on me have on say. What? Hey, that fast and go on like saying I'm manners. Don't try and disrespect me. So what that mean? It means my man and my woman. Me and man that a problem because if me go thump him down I do something.
You're not a man.
What do you mean by that?
Because man turn up to their responsibility.
Which
man turn up to woman. Why you talk about your station for Pinky fam? I don't understand. Like I prank me or something. Because obviously you want somebody have something, right? You supposed to start out it as a businessman, it one or two business person, and you come like none of that one not have no sense. You was a big man when at this long time. Should I know say so Pinky stage? You know say she feisty, she not have no bad manners and she love bad up people. And you gonna police station as well as a dirty girl? Eh?
You done? Eh? You done?
Me can't done. Me cannot finish.
So prison food they want come give me.
Me
Eh?
want give you
Dog food they want come give me a jail.
What do you mean by that?
What you mean by that? Eh? What you mean by that? What you talking about? Eh?
Oh.
So me now, if you go do, you know how Pinky see and how Pinky come down with certain things and attitude and vibes. What?
You know, me realize now.
What you realize?
Turn in a business.
What you mean in a business?
No, you carry
We in a
feelings,
business,
yeah.
of course, business.
No, you carry feelings.
What you mean
yeah,
carry
that
feelings?
business them you talk.
Oh, that girl at about
Afraid of her.
afraid of who?
Oh, you're in love with her.
What you talking
Let me
about?
understand what I want.
What you mean so make you understand
Let
what
me
I want?
understand now because right now.
A rubbish you talk, wipe off the filter off your mouth. Because stench no sound good.
Wipe off his filter.
You mean?
With stench. Normally, you know, for police station people.
Yeah, but
They deal with your business, them all your
Yeah,
So all you gonna police station. Unless I'm gonna mean no more.
of course
But
something
then-
about you know.
What is that?
She had disrespect me and you don't know about that.
Okay, you want me to link her?
When me go link her and do her. All you share disrespect, you know. She talks some sick boy, she style way up on your granny. Not even your mom, your granny she gone to. Eh?
I could never meet that ticket from chick foot girl there talk more. You must have mad that the girl there come talk about me style.
Me get to understand say you don't know who named Pinky. You feel like say I want to eat somebody. Not sure. She don't have no manners and she feel like say boy I just force and bullbuck business deal with stuff and for me I say to myself say boy me think when I help her but she help me down.
One thing, you know, when me always tell you say what you gonna do. You see the type of people where you go in a business with and them the type of people that you go in a business with. Because you love going up business with people who have low minded, dirty minded, and they not mean no good for themselves. But tell you, go in a business with top class people. No, you want to go in a people with ghetto people. So you see, ghetto treatment where you get, you're
But
supposed to take
top
it.
class people them who you introduced to me is top class thief and me not depend that. You hear me I say? Me done go to police station, it done set, it can't take back. Simple as that. Yeah. You can't take back. Come on, my money. Me need my money.
Anyway, me I go talk to her now. Because me need money and your money is my money and my money is my money. So me I go deal with that.
Just know where you see? And about that, but that's me done deal. Me start what me I do, make a process, take care of itself. As simple as
Listen
that.
to me, police gonna take too long. You know so them now go come on time. So you know what the money now? Obviously you don't need the money now. It look like the next year you want the money. And next year you want it?
You don't think you understand what I'm going?
Let me
See,
understand.
the girl that fling on the slippers off me like me and she involved as it say. You don't feel that way that for true, like
So
a
why she
disrespect.
have to
Yeah, because the girl has no manners and no respect for her even her damn self. And me now, me don't want to draw me out in that the kind of situation, draw me character for be a dirty
Listen to me,
dog.
that a dirty style.
Eh?
That a dirty style. First and foremost, you're somebody in a business, you're not supposed to fling off for them. You're not supposed to disrespect them. You're
No,
supposed
that's
to
so that's
talk
why I
like
done.
a-
I'm a cut business.
Like a man or
But me
woman.
cut business and everything done and that me I say to you. Yeah, I say same thing me I say right now, but in the other way. We are trying this me at the same time. But listen me I say. Yo, listen me I say man. Just understand say I just they say thing there. That's all me I come tell you. See? You collect the next money from the people them?
Then now that me go look boy and you ask me what
So
me
where
do.
money there? Where money there?
Yeah, yeah.
Give me that money, the money for sort out. Come in if you buy one Xbox. And if it's service. Yo, just what you say I do?
Me say me and go up the road.
Go push road.
Me and go up a girl.
Yeah. Me want to say don't go up on the show. Do what you do. Do what you do. See?
After I can't stop me.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm gonna tell you that.
Good evening. You see, you just walk come in the shop, so you don't even clear your throat. I mean, easy to frightened.
So, one business place, me I want him, is supposed to clear my throat.
Yeah, you're supposed to clear your throat because the last time when they have come, they have clear your throat. So that's why they come second time clear your throat. How may I help you, miss?
Alright. Does she the shot do a put all around?
So we want me. Step up on the tower and I give that a shower.
No, shot. Alright. Yeah, friend. This is a business. We're not gonna come up here now and we're come in if you just talk to your minds and calm. Because you really want to understand the situation fully what really are going on. As a friend, me I come to talk to you. What really are going on with the box money and you know what I'm doing something there. What really are going on? You can't talk to me now.
How will you come for money? Eh?
I'm not saying that me come for money. I just want to know when they can give you money. I just that more I know. Just give me a timeline. Me we work with that. Me can talk to him. You know, Amy fully understand what really is going on. Because I don't like the road way to one of the family about now.
My girl, listen. Me not understand why you and your man they follow me up, you know. Yesterday me have one very bad day because your man I know you come right as I come perplex about it. I want me can't get no time.
Listen to me.
Yo, me say me don't know my cross, just a follow back on me say, you know.
Oh, you can't cross it.
Are you me a car cross it because I don't know where you come and start talking about money business for again and if come and say how things with you, how your place are going, how you just come about money.
Well, by looking at your place, it is quite fine because I can see that all of your room is back.
I trust them.
That is not my
I trust them. And that's enough looking at my business. You have to go ask me.
No, me not ask. Well, me should have asked yes. But me not ask about your shop, me not busy about your shop, me busy about the box money.
Well, listen, me not have no money and me don't tell the man yesterday. So me know why you can't ask me about no money. Me don't know what you want me to do, Name me can't name because me not no flesh. What you want from me? Eh?
Why you have to behave like that? Me come to you and you realize, oh, me I talk to you, realize the level me depend. Why you're telling your back?
Eh?
Why you have to behave like you're a donkey?
So now my body?
Eh?
Don't want to look for me. No, don't want to look for me. Don't want to look for me. Stand up. Don't look like one donkey or one giraffe or whatever. That means that don't contest me in another place. But I feel me turf this. Don't look like one. Listen, me don't want you come here to cover blood pressure because your man done run your place today already. And that me make love. You know, so me don't like you. Me don't like you, man.
As
me don't follow me up.
Me don't like you. Me don't like you.
So if you don't like me, why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? People don't like me. Eh?
To me.
Go on, come on to the place and go on.
Finish your business with us.
Girl, we're not done talk. Exit.
That's sign to a police station for you. I'm glad indeed go. You don't know why we do that say when go find.
What you have to do with me at you don't go to police station already an hour.
You know what I feel like you're not take life serious. You not grow. You not understand life. You not understand business. You don't know who start off with that business.
Oh Jesus.
You know
so me feel like say you jump out of the wrong room.
No,
me feel like you jump out of the wrong room, you know.
No.
Because the whole of your generation they have sense. And you not come with none. Where you come and defend the man for? Eh? The man a defend you. When the man come, the man not even mention your name, my friend. Let me tell you something now. The man not even mention your name. I want your man who make him follow me up so much, you know. He tell me, bro, no time out to listen. I told because you're full of attitude when me can't deal with it. But I see you wonder when me deal with I told she not no attitude, so she not give me no vibe. Make up my way I come defend the man for me. Listen. Your man no want you. Your man want me, that's why I follow me up so much. You think of money out of the box you want? Eh? You me say if I think of the money out of the box you want. Eh? I told me can't give no chance, make him a text it for me. So listen. You are your dirty Rasta man. Leave me alone. If you don't read,
so true in come to you yesterday about him money and me come today, you want to tell life on him. You want me if you go and go back to my man because you tell me say, look you.
Them girl, I don't fear man that girl, cause every day I get stuck with the pint. And I hear man that.
Stuck with which part?
Every day I get stuck with the pint.
When we want.
Every day, girl, you come to argue with me in my place, I'm in the panda. Just continue go on. If I want to go to the police station, like how your man do it, I go on.
Me not
Let me
that.
get the jar, let me close and skip. Hey, I don't want, hey, listen to me, just leave me alone, you know, leave me alone. Oh, I'm not going to go shoot on the head where sun no shine and grass no grow.
I think I already do that when they do in a barn.
That me never could know. Me tell me say wrong room, I drop out that.
And you come out of character, right? You come out of character, right? You need to read.
And that's why I'm full of sense. Can me come out of the right part. You drop out of the wrong. Ooh. Oh, just go on, take a look at time and go on.
Only thing me I say you have 24 hours for bring up your money, that's all.
And one night you and your man have and it's a 9 night, go on.
So you try to tell me say, you go bury me? You pay for your funeral and the dead yard and grave digging and everything.
Oh, Father God. Do me a beg, just drop the good sense in her head there. Do me a beg, do me a beg, drop the good sense in her girl. Like I come like you don't have no sense.
Me have
no sense in her. Go on.
Me just know what me I do. You understand?
Who say what I dig one, what you know, dig two, who will.
Me play four
that make you know.
Know that.
Oh, me don't care. You could have, you could have put on a phone, you come more, yes, record where you record. I don't give one shit. Just know to the policeman where I go to, I'm a man.
That's the right time I reach, man. So you say I go an idea.
You pull off left me other day.
What?
I work on the machine, you know. Lucky you come find me and so car.
You may say no, because when I tell you how much ready by now.
Everything almost ready. Just this one for second.
Right.
Alright.
Just
make sure you see how all your money for you all night day at you know. That me I tell the brother, you know. Agreement there come to man about you know, about agreement. Eh?
Brother, tell me say me I go do a little thing, brother.
Right now. If you know how your money right, I'm not to go on here with you. Right now, you know what crossed my mind? You know why I'm there say up on it? You think, bro, I tell you say your friend thing. The whole friend thing. I just hold no and hold down, man.
Hey, did man touch you?
Yo, put on my glasses, alright, it's like just a joke.
But right now, me I say meds
bro,
in that.
I fix this with drive, that's right.
Drive,
all 9.
Google. Yeah, who tell us so? I was tell them I'm sitting at Joe.
You see a road, me I fix this with
right. Go on right now that they me leave one go look on a mission in there. Cause so say that you go on but the box them and tell that go on.
You been a go so like you know nothing brother. Me tell you say you would food out there for bombarders, nyam. And you move like say you know brother. You know, me spend over blows and watch out. Look, I'm sure. Watch out. You see this here? Shut up in here, so. At 65,000, me spend. And I choose me put in myself. I choose me put in that myself. Yo, you can't all care come give me for fix up. Me tell you say we are gonna crush a crime. Watch out. You see if you all pull up our back that evening there. At 350,000 that will not fear.
Brother, I'll not give me a time to talk. You may tell us I need to my bag. Man, see me with him back, me tell us
yo, two of me feel sugar, brother. They will all let the money, make that money. They are party. Me go one party last night, brother. Me just go drink out the whole night. And me I say you friend thing weird, brother. Brother. Right now you need me like a punk, yeah, man.
Watch it.
Right now. I chat in the combo. You have money. Me say you have money. Make sure you say you have your money for y'all, right? You come here and chat.
You say talk about friend thing. Like, look at you, man. Say me a friend.
I don't want to deal, make my deal with you, sir.
Hey, since I don't want to do that, nobody do no work for that. I have some food like a dog of a record. I got to move with it.
I plan to do no more work for it. This ready for the road right now.
No, dog. No, we are do.
It's ready for y'all the road right now.
No, dog, you know, don't work on it, man. Put it back, man.
So what we do?
Catch it back, man.
What you want me to do?
You relax, the man. The test will get the chill, buddy. Watch it, man. What your message?
Yeah, I'll tell you what my friend there.
Your message. Zin.
Yeah.
Cause nobody now win right. We don't fight it.
Me I win, you know.
You mess with them, man?
Yeah.
So how much you feel you're going to make for this submission? Between me.
I don't know. Yeah, depends on how much in our place.
Culture.
You see?
So you're
So,
saying?
watch out. I just go, me I go, you know, it's like, me I go, but
Take time.
more you keep your engine running for me because I just, I just grab something. I'll tell you, I just
not even tell me about it. Just keep your engine running. Yes, you're ready, Kabu. You take on the road, now come here for a joke. I'm ready for you.
sure you take on the road.
Yeah, man, no joke thing, man. I don't like some of the fun city, but we need to get lucky vehicle to give people them.
I know.
I come like I feel like I start with the bike thing.
Put me in all mechanic mode. Me over
So
there
you
up
ready for
from
your
man. Yeah, this more here.
Right, further, ready and ready.
Lock it down, man. Put up that there, lock it down.
Ready and
Me start there here, here engine run.
kick him up, me see. Machine hot job. Right.
Machine active. Me I tell us say machine active, bro. You hear that? You hear that? Machine active.
Alright. Forward on us, man. Ready. For you. Like that. So, how you master for yourself for that? I don't know.
No, I'm not killing nobody. I'm telling you, I'm going to come. Straight man. I'm put out the first. After then, may the I walk through the valley of money. May the I walk through the valley of money. Guide and protect me from all of these millions that about to fall down. Oi.
Brother,
yo.
are we out there sir right now?
Nah, man, look out there. Look safe, nobody here. Look weird. I just shot that around my raft.
Brother, I'm pregnant. Let me hear that hot me, yo. Now let me feel dizzy. Jaja.
Yo. You see me? You see me go for a mission, me not get catch. None of time, me never get catch yet. This time.
You know, so me not here though. They want me, they want boy, you know, you.
That's crazy. You're the man. You don't want the money. You know, that's why I say kid.
Dog.
You don't want the money?
Yo, dog. Want the money, yes. Like, you know, I'm not doing there, you know. Just do it. Just do it.
Let on the carrot. I'll let me say keep it in the wait. Give me about 3 seconds. As soon as I run out.
Here then. Where are they?
You know, said are you my fan for me bar though?
What me buy? I'm here for me buy.
Oi!
I was so somebody there. Oh, yeah, don't do that.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Remember you
Go
started.
on, boy, your business.
Remember you started.
Boxman, go on, boy, your business. Got it way. Chancro.
Yeah, straight up. You're a bit enough man you can
I jump out that man.
Tomorrow.
Listen now, when me go back around this I go do. A problem woman that when me want myself no problem for me never grow like
You never
that.
say that. You never say that. You
Brother
never
man,
say
I
that.
show you some
How long
time,
wait
brother.
till that?
Yo, bad
How
man,
long wait
that's-
till that?
That's normal,
You never say
brother.
that.
Brother, that's
So
normal,
give me
brother.
a reason for you to get low and more.
Because you come here tell me foolish.
Everyone can make nice stuff.
Everyone can make nice. This is a man here.
Oh, you don't need that.
She's like the big bad wolf, no reason inability. Smiles when she see the money. Hell of a fury like a woman's card. From love to hate, now the war is on. She's like the big bad wolf, no reason inability. When love turns hate, it can be so deadly. You used to be my ride or die. She say you love me, but you love the hype. She sharp like a blade, cut deeper than a knife. It's like you want revenge. Me never know say love could have twist so. All want me try, you not let go. Create some poison, now it overflow. She's like the big bad wolf, no reason inability. On the spouse when she see the money. Hell of a fury like a woman's card. From love to hate, now the war is on. No reason inability. When love turn hate, it can be so deadly. Now every word turns to argument. Every message feels like judgment. You match up everything we spend. Heart full of rage, no sentiment. You switch up fast, we can't recognize you. Love gone cold, we see it in your eyes. From kisses to cussing, real disguise. Love used to live here, but it don't live here no more. Used to feel safe, now I'm safe on my own. How did we go from forever to this? When love turns hate, it can be so deadly. She's like the big bad wolf, no reason inability. Smiles when she see the money. Hell of the fury like a woman's coin. From love to hate, now the war is on. No reason inability. When love turns hate, it can be so deadly.